guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're fine. I'm just excited. I'm doing such a video and today I'm going on another trip. Yeah! With my amazing people. Yeah! This trip we're going to keep planning maybe like for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or something now. And it was just excitement. Everything has gone as planned. And it's such a sunny day. It's such a good day. And I love it. Who I'm going with. I know you know them. They're familiar faces. So I just wanted to introduce my video over here so that we can go. I've already packed. I've already done everything. Guys, this is my outfit. I'm going to wear some sneakers and some glasses, obviously. Now the time is 8 o'clock. Hi, Smile. But the other one will follow now.
Okunda Diani Airport. Goodbye and have a good afternoon.
How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Welcome to Okunda. Yes.
Ndio kuingia sasa. Wako ready. Je, wako ready? Wako ready. What are you guys?
Jambo.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
What's up on the time? When I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance.
Called our sound. It's ginger ale with lime and honey. Enjoy, please. Karibu. Enjoy.
Yeah. So So guys, this is our room. That's the entrance. Then this is the bathroom. It looks amazing. The rooms. Where are you going? Say hi. Then two things. Oh my god. Oh really? You did? Then there is me. Then this is a bed, our luggage, the coffee station, you know. Just look at that. So amazing. So amazing. Then there's two places where you can read your book, Joy. Then there's a balcony out here. So nice. I tell you the whole time siko na record right now is the time nimeanza kurecord. Nimeweka nyama.
Sikia.
Made Shana fries.
What day is it?
To go which day?
How's it going?
Fine. We're outside. Which day is it? New day?
2, 3 something.
Somewhere.
Thereabout.
There. And Elizabeth.
So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home.
I feel so weird talking on camera. I just say there are like 4 restaurants here. There's one that you normally go for dinner. I know you can't hear because of the song right now, but this is our favorite restaurant, and there are 2 down here, but they're not need to reserve. But this is our favorite, so that's why we're going for lunch right now. So come there. Let's go there. Hi, Matt. Hi, chef.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so today they're cooking for me. I'm on holiday. Holy day.
You may arrive with a view. Yeah. Hi. I'm so proud of myself. shilingi 1000 haiwezi. Hii kitu nilinunua hata Kenya.
Congo River, karibuni sana. Hiyo time ya sunset iko try.
Yeah, it will be nice. Leo sunset tutapata vizuri.
The best.
Yeah.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
Amani.
Kiwi nishaenda kiwi.
Lakini sasa ilifungwa kutoka leo wakati wa COVID mpaka sasa hivi ile Amani hotel. Sasa huko kwetu ndio hotel ni nyingi pia, lakini na kule chini ndio unapatikana ile Map Africa. Ndio sasa hii river yetu haina crocodile, haina hippo, haina piranha. Kwa sababu ni salt water.
Ati haina nini?
Haina crocodile.
Umesema ya mwisho what?
Piranha.
Ya piranha.
Piranha kama kule Amazon. Ile ambayo iko sharp.
Amazon.
Hata sasa pia kuna time hii river yetu huwa ina join na ocean.
Really?
Unaona hapo? Hapo mbele wao sasa inaingia kwa ocean, lakini kwa saizi imeblock kwa sababu ya big waves in the ocean, ikaleta mchanga ndio ikafinika hapo. Sasa hii river imebaki river, ocean imebaki ocean.
Yeah.
Mpaka kunyesha tena mvua nyingi.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
Captain Ramadan. The Congo River. Sasa hii river yetu ndio imeenda mpaka Shimba Hills. Kuanzia hapa mpaka Shimba Hills iko na 45 kilometers. Sasa tukitumia boat tunaweza kuishi huko. Ndio male and female mangroves.
There's male and female.
Yeah. Unaona hii kubwa hizi, lakini ambazo leaves zake ni ndogo ndogo, hizo ndizo female mangroves.
Okay.
Lakini hiyo ndogo lakini iko straight, hiyo ndio male mangroves.
Okay.
Male mangroves, hizo stem zake zimeanzia nje kuingia kwa ground.
Okay.
Female ndio ina feed
Sasa hiyo male mangroves uko kwa village. Kwa sababu uko kwa village kama tukatengeneza zile nyumba za local, watu wanatumia hizo space kwa sababu ni hardwood.
Okay.
Lakini hizo female tunatengenezea kama furnitures, firewood, ndio tunatengenezea kupitia hiyo female mangroves. Na pia hizo mangroves zina survive na salt water. Ikija fresh water huwa zinakauka, nyingi zinakauka kama huko ambao umeona huko nyuma.
Okay.
Sasa hii Congo River kama zina prawns.
Hey guys.
Kama 1.5 meters.
Tuko na captain.
Captain Rama.
I'm unavailable.
Good vibes and inshallah.
Tulimwe sana iku bibi yetu aturuke. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Yeah, no problem. Hi. Hi. How are you? We're just checking out so you can see what is Hi guys. It's you. It's you. Hi Thank you. Okay, I hope they are going to play that song.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. 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 I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
It's a wrap, guys. See you in the video.